Hey there! Ever wondered how to keep your focus on your goals and make them a reality? Today, we are talking about the 369 manifestation method, a simple but powerful way to help you attract what you desire. In just a few minutes, we'll break down what the 369 method is, how it works, and how you can start using it today to change your life. The 369 manifestation method is a technique that helps you stay focused on your goals by writing them down several times a day. It's easy. Write your desire 3 times in the morning to set a positive tone. Write it 6 times in the afternoon to stay aligned. Write it 9 times at night to affirm your goal before bed. The idea behind this method is that repetition helps you stay connected to your intentions, making it easier to attract what you want into your life. These numbers aren't random, they are believed to carry special meaning in numerology. 3 represents creativity and expression. 6 is all about balance and harmony. 9 symbolizes completion and reflection. Even inventor Nikola Tesla believed these numbers held the key to unlocking the universe's patterns. While science may not confirm that, many people find the method helpful for staying motivated and focused. It's super simple. First, pick a specific goal, something clear and meaningful. Instead of writing, "I want to be successful," try something like, "I will make $10,000 in 3 months." Morning, write it down 3 times. Afternoon, write it 6 times. Night, write it 9 times before bed. The goal is to align your thoughts and emotions with your desires every day. For the best results, use positive language. Focus on what you want, not what you're avoiding. Visualize your goal as you write it. Stay consistent, even if you miss a session or 2. Avoid being vague, doubting the process, or focusing on lack. The key is to stay patient and trust the journey. So, that's the 369 manifestation method in a nutshell. It's a simple, structured way to keep your mind focused and attract your goals into reality. If you combine it with real-world action, you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. Ready to try it? Start with one clear goal today and stay consistent. Who knows what you could manifest? Thanks for watching.